Hello, my name is Xochitl Montes. I'm Community Coordinator with the City of San Jose's Project Hope program. Today we're going to do a quick tutorial on how to use the Zoom app. So what is Zoom? Zoom is a video conferencing service that allows you to meet with others virtually, either by video, audio, or both. Essentially, people can meet and see each other from the screens of their phones, iPads, or computers, all in real time. Or you also have the option of calling in to listen and participate in the meeting. So you can always download the Zoom application completely free. And let's talk about how you can download that app. Right now, we're going to teach you how to download the app from your phone. I'll be using an iPhone, but if you have an Android, it's a very similar step. Let's get started. Go to your App Store and click on the search bar. In the search bar, type in Zoom, Z-O-O-M, and click on the first option that appears. You will notice a blue and white icon that says Zoom Cloud Meetings. Go ahead and click Install or Download and give it a few seconds. After it's done downloading, you can click Open, or your phone may open it automatically. Now you will see this. This means you are all ready to Zoom. Now click on Join a Meeting icon. Here, you would put in the meeting ID. Essentially, the meeting ID is a unique meeting number to connect to the correct meeting. Sometimes hosts put a password for each meeting. If so, you will add the password after the meeting ID. In this case, we don't have one. We'll just update our name in this box so that meeting participants know who is joining the meeting. Click Join and ready. You're in the meeting. Go ahead and click OK when asked Zoom would like to access microphone. In the next box, Zoom would like to send you notifications. Click Allow or Not Allow. That's up to you. To hear others join the audio, please click Call using Internet Audio in order to hear the meeting as well. If you look at the bottom screen, you'll see the microphone. Please turn it off when entering the meeting in order to avoid background noise. You can turn it on or off during the meeting. You can also turn on and off your video. If your video is on, participants will be able to see you. If you look at the bottom right corner, you'll see more options. If you click on that, you'll see the other options for this meeting. You can click Chat and have a conversation with all meeting participants or an individual. Once you send the meeting message, just click on Close and exit the chat room. There are other options like Raise Hand, which can be helpful if you would like to ask a question or have a comment. You can also applaud or give a thumbs up if you agree with what is being said. Once you're ready to exit the meeting, go to the upper right corner and click Leave. Then click Leave Meeting. This will exit the meeting and take you back to Start of the Meeting option. Now let's go back to see what the app looks like on your phone. If you see here, it's the blue and white Zoom app icon. From here, we're back to the beginning, and you can join another meeting if needed. Well, I hope that tutorial was helpful for you. If you don't have a smartphone, you can still join a meeting. Please contact your meeting host and ask her for a call-in number. When you do call in, you will hear, "Welcome to Zoom, please enter meeting ID." This is where you input the meeting ID number and then press pound. If for whatever reason you're unable to download the application, please don't give up. Ask for help from a friend, a student, a minor in the house even, or anyone in the household. If you can't get any help from them, please give us a call and we're more than happy to help walk you through it. We thank you again for your time and we hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. We hope to see you at our meeting real soon. Thank you.